Hello students, in this video we'll solve 3 more problems under operating leverage. Hello students, let's go for third problem. From the following details pertaining to company A and B, calculate their operating leverages and identify the company enjoys a higher leverage and the company which has a lower risk profile. So information given about company A and company B. So sales 18 lakh for the both company it is same. Variable cost is 50% of sales. So variable cost 50% of 18 lakh means it is 9 lakh. 40% of 18 lakh means 7 lakh 20,000. Fixed cost 2 lakh and 3 lakh. So we need to calculate operating leverage first. Then depending on operating leverage we can say that the company which has higher leverage and which one is having a lower risk profile. So we need to prepare a income statement of income for the year ended. So first what we have to write? We have to write sales. So sales of first company is 18 lakh and second company, that is company B, is 18 lakh. From sales what we have to deduct? We have to deduct variable cost. Variable cost here in case of first company A, it is 50% of sales. 18 lakh into 50% means it is 9 lakh. Then company B, 40% of sales. So 18 lakh into 40%. So it is 7 lakh 20,000. So when you deduct variable cost from sales, so sales minus variable cost, the answer is, remember ನೆನಪಿರಬೇಕು, sales minus variable cost ಅಂದ್ರೆ answer ಗೆ contribution ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. So 18 lakh minus 9 lakh, it is 9 lakh. Then 18 lakh minus 7 lakh 20,000, it is 10 lakh 80,000. So from contribution what we have to deduct? We have to deduct fixed cost. So that will be given in number 2 lakh and 3 lakh. For company A 2 lakh, company B 3 lakh. So when you deduct fixed cost from contribution, the answer is EBIT or operating profit. So this format nimge ನೆನಪಿರಬೇಕು. So EBIT 9 lakh minus 2 lakh, it is 7 lakh. So 10 lakh 80,000 minus 3 lakh, it is 7 lakh 80,000. So we got operating leverage profit. So now we need to calculate operating leverage. So what is the formula to calculate operating leverage? Remember, it is contribution divided by EBIT. So let's calculate for company A first. Contribution is 9 lakh divided by 7 lakh. So operating leverage is 1.2857 times. Then company B 10 lakh 80,000 divided by 7 lakh 80,000. So it is 1.3846 times. So depending on the operating leverage you got for two companies, you need to analyze that which company is having higher leverage and which company is having lower risk profile. So here which company is having higher leverage? That is company B has higher operating leverage, and which company is having lower risk? That is company A. So you need to write that. So company B has higher operating leverage and company B has lower risk profile. Let's go for another problem. Yes, here is a problem. Number 4. A company has an installed capacity of 20,000 units. It expects to sell the products at rupees 5 per unit. So total units it is 20,000 and selling price is 5. So sales is 20,000 into 5, it is 1 lakh. Material cost is expected to be rupees 1 per unit. And material cost we will be calculating on the total installed capacity, that is 20,000. Labor cost 2 per unit. So material and labor cost or variable cost we need to calculate on the number of units sold. Fixed cost is estimated to be 10,000. So fixed cost ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. So calculate the operating leverage for 50%, 75% and 100% utilization of installed capacity. So we need to prepare statement of income to calculate operating leverage. So statement of income for the year ended, particulars, utilized capacity. So that is 50%, 75% and 100%, and units sold. So 100% means total units. So total units is 20,000. So we are writing last. Then 75% of 20,000, that means 15,000. So you can write here, that is 20,000 into 70. Full percentage, full capacity is 20,000. It's 75%. Then 50% of capacity. Full capacity is 20,000. It's 50%. That is 10,000. Yeah. So in statement of income, first we have to write sales. So sales, what is a per unit price? Sales is rupees 5 per unit. So 5 into 10,000, 50,000. So that is 10,000 into 5. 5 into 15,000. 5 into 15,000, it is 75,000. Then 20,000 into 5. 20,000 into 5, it is 1 lakh. So sales, we got figures. So from sales, deduct variable cost. So variable cost, there are two variable cost here, that is material cost and labor cost. Material cost and labor cost. What is the per unit price of material cost? It is 1 rupee 1. So rupee 1 into 10,000, it is 10. 10,000 into 1. 15,000 into 1, it is 15,000. 20,000 into 1, it is 20,000. Then labor cost. Labor cost is rupees 2 per unit. Rupees 2 per unit. So rupees 2 into 10,000. 10,000 into 2, 20,000. 15,000 into 2, 30,000. 20,000 into 2, 40,000. So from here we are starting. Okay, 50,000 minus variable cost, 10 plus 20, 30. So 50,000 minus 30,000. Contribution is 20,000. For 75%, 75 minus 15 plus 30, 45. It is 30,000. 75 minus 45, 30. 1 lakh minus 60, 40,000. Contribution less fixed cost. Contribution in the next deduct ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ item, that is fixed cost. Fixed cost ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10,000. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಆಗಿರಲಿ, ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೇಮ್. ಸೊ 10,000, 10,000 and 10,000. Therefore, EBIT or operating profit is equals to 10,000, 20,000 and 30,000. We need to calculate operating for 3 operating leverage. Therefore, operating leverage is equals to, what is the formula? Contribution divided by EBIT. Contribution divided by EBIT. Here only you can do. Here contribution is 20,000 divided by 10,000 EBIT. So operating leverage is 2 times. Then 30,000 divided by 20,000. Operating leverage is 1.5 times. Then 40,000 divided by 30,000, it is 1.33 times. Next, we'll go for another problem. Fifth problem, the summarized cost sheet of C Limited is presented below. Cost sheet given, direct material cost, add wages. So these two are variable cost. Then factory overhead, office and administration overhead, selling and distribution overhead. So these are fixed cost. So cost of sales, add profit, sales. So we need a sales figure, and that is here. So first we statement of income alli now first sales anna bariteve. So ಆ amount cost sheet alli namage last ge sigutte. So that is here. So statement of income for the year ended 31st March 2019. Particulars in a column and outer column. First write sales, which is directly given here. It is 2 lakh minus variable cost. Variable cost are 2 here. That is direct material cost and direct wages. So direct material cost, which is there on the first of cost sheet, that is 40,000, and wages, direct wages 30,000. So total variable cost is 70,000 right here, and deducted from sales, and the answer, ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಗೆ? Contribution is 1,30,000. From contribution, deduct fixed cost. Fixed cost, all the 3 overheads. Variable anta kottidre variable alle hakbeku, but ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. So we are assuming it is fixed. So factory overhead, administration overhead. Factory overhead is 20,000, administration overhead 30,000, and selling and distribution 15,000. 20,000, 30,000, 15,000. So total fixed cost is 65,000. From contribution, if you deduct fixed cost, answer is what? EBIT, earning before interest and tax, or operating profit. So operating profit is 1,30,000 minus 65,000. It is 65,000. So here they have asked just to calculate operating leverage. So operating leverage is equals to contribution divided by EBIT. So contribution is 1,30,000 divided by EBIT is 65,000. So operating leverage is 2 times. 2 times. Thank you. In next class, let's see the second leverage, that is financial leverage.